Welcome to the first session of this walk, tone and Tai Chi series. These are a perfect entry point if you're getting back into fitness. Each session blends gentle mindful walking, light toning movements and Tai Chi for strength, balance and mindfulness. They're designed for seniors and beginners, and the sessions are safe, simple and effective. Throughout the session, keep an eye on your posture. We're grounding our feet, we're lifting up through the crown, we're keeping everything relaxed and tension-free at the joints. And remember, we are engaging our abdominal muscles by pulling belly button through to spine. Let's start with our warm-up, feet hip width apart with shoulder rolls, breathing in as the shoulders rise and breathing out as the shoulders move down. Changing direction. Bending the knees, we're balancing the chi, breathing in as the hands rise, turning the palms and breathing out as the hands lower. Lifting the arms forwards and up and then pushing the palms out and down. Breathing in as the arms rise and breathing out as the arms lower. Reversing that movement for gathering the chi, breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as the arms lower. Okay, let's get walking on the spot in a natural rhythm. Don't worry if you're not in time with me, and remember that posture, keeping it as good as you can. And we want to focus on everything we're doing, focusing on your body, making this mindful movement. We're going to add our shoulder rolls. Changing direction with those shoulder rolls and keeping the breathing nice and calm as we continue to walk on the spot. Just like in our warm-up, we are balancing the chi. Focusing on those moving hands, and as always, like we are moving our hands through water, pushing those hands with a natural resistance. Lifting the arms high and pushing away. And gathering the chi. For our Tai Chi section, we're going to concentrate on stroking the horse's mane. So feet hip width apart, again, nice posture. We're holding the ball, one hand on top of the other. Stroke an imaginary horse down to the tabletop, turning the waist and bringing that lower hand to perform a strike. Let's repeat on the same side. This time, as we perform the strike, we're transferring the weight into side bow stance. Transferring the weight all the way to one foot, tapping in and stepping out to side bow stance this time. Sliding across this time to start in horse stance and transferring the weight over to side bow. A little bit more challenging staying low in this deep horse stance and side bow here, but great challenge for our strength. Circle the arms all the way around so we have the other hand on top of our ball, and let's repeat all that on the other side. So remember, Tai Chi is very much a mind-body practice and we want to be focused on those moving hands as we are performing the exercises. Really connecting our mind and body. Let's add our side bow. Transferring the weight and tapping in and stepping out to side bow. Finally, staying low, transferring the weight from horse stance over to side bow. Fantastic work. So we're going to repeat our walking section, and remember again to focus on your posture and make it very mindful, become body aware and just focus on keeping the breathing natural. Let's add those shoulder rolls. Changing direction. Balancing the chi, breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out as the hands lower. Lifting the arms high, stretch through the body and release as we bring the hands down. And finally gathering the chi. For our second Tai Chi section, we're going to stick with stroking the horse's mane as our movement, but we're going to practice it on opposite sides. So stroke the horse and hold the mirror, and then we want to keep that top hand on top of the ball so we can repeat that in the alternate side. This time adding our side bow stance. Tapping the foot in and stepping out to side bow. And then staying low, sliding through horse stance and transferring over to side bow. Let's repeat all that again. Let's do 4 more just to finish off. And gathering the chi, expanding the lungs and chest, a big inhale and exhale slowly as the hands come down. Balancing the chi, slowing it down, connecting our mind and body, feeling relaxed, calm and peaceful. Finally, circling the hands round, pressing palms, hands to heart. Thank you very much for joining me on this walk tone and Tai Chi session. And do remember to check out the rest on the walk tone and Tai Chi playlist. And remember to subscribe if you're enjoying the content. See you soon. Bye.